In this video, I am answering the question, can I do digital marketing with no experience? And let me tell you, the answer is yes. And I started just a few months ago with zero experience. And I'm a lifelong learner, so I enjoy learning new skills. And that was partly why I jumped in. I mean, who doesn't like to make money? But what really excited me was that I got to learn new skills. And I am able to plug into this community, and I get daily videos showing me exactly what I need to do in order to grow my following, talk to my perfect customer, create content, how to get my automated website out there so that I'm only spending a couple hours a day working on the business, and the rest of the time I get to hang out with my son and do fun things. And it teaches you the skills to earn $900 a day. It's low, one-time investment, and no monthly fees. So this is ideal for beginners without any experience because it's easy for you to access. And product in the e-learning industry, which is a $1 billion a day global industry. That's a lot of money, and you can get you some of that with no experience, but you got to plug into the right place, and that place is Legacy Builder Program. You get master resale rights, so when you sell it, you earn 100% profit. That's money that's going into your family's budget. There's no upline, downline, no recruiting, no cold messaging. 4 income streams. You got 100, 300, 600, and 900 daily that you can be earning. No tech skills required. You just plug in to a fully automated, done-for-you website, sales funnel, and email campaigns. Easier. So if you're ready, put me in the comments, and I would absolutely love to get you the information.